Hello, and welcome to Week 4 of Math Concepts, Probability and Statistics. We are halfway done. Congratulations! This week, you are going to work on topics 10, 11, and 30. Up to this point, we have been learning about statistics. Since the name of the course is Math Concepts, Probability and Statistics, you may have wondered where the probability is. Well, wonder no longer, because we jump into probability this week. First, however, we finish up Unit 2 with Topic 10. In this topic, we will stretch our knowledge about graphical displays and numerical summaries for quantitative data. After Topic 10 is done, it will be time for another unit exam. The Unit 2 exam will open up on Wednesday at noon and close on Monday of Week 5 at 11 p.m. Make sure that you finish the textbook questions and Wiley Plus homework questions for Topic 10 before you take the exam, since Topic 10 is included on the exam. The rest of this week is devoted to probability. Topic 11 gives you an overview of what probability is and what it is not. Two of the big ideas about probability are that random events are uncertain in the short term but predictable in the long term. Take flipping a fair coin. We don't know whether it will come up heads or tails before we flip it. However, if we flip it many, many times, like at least 1,000 times, then it will come up heads about 500 times and tails about 500 times. For another example, take the distribution of colors in a bag of Reese's Pieces. In week 1, you bought a bag of Reese's Pieces and counted the color distribution for a sample of 25 candies. Before you opened the bag, you did not know what proportion of candies were orange. However, you counted the proportion of orange candies in a sample of 25 candies. This week, we will look at how the proportion of orange candies varies from one student sample to another. In Topic 30, we will continue our study of probability by looking at some of the rules that govern how probability works. These rules are especially useful for calculating probabilities of events that we can't count directly. You may remember them from previous math courses. If you do, I encourage you to help your classmates understand them by starting a discussion on one of the course discussion boards. This week, we don't have more topics than last week, but most students find the ideas more challenging. Don't get discouraged if you don't understand them after reading about them the first time through. You will probably have to reread your textbook, talk with your classmates, talk with me, and do homework problems before the big ideas really start to sink in. That does it for this week's video. I'll see you again next week.